Now let's see questions. Question 1. The validity of ISS is right option C 5 years. Question 2. Which of the following are regular security measures which are implemented at security level? Right option B. Supervise the handling of cargo and ship store. Question 3. Which of the following may use as additional security measures? Right option C. Greeting used to block companion ways. Question 4. What is the operational limitation of a security equipment like weld lock? Right option B. The weld lock can be cut open. Question 5. Which of the following equipments are parts of cybersecurity? Right option C. Dedicated cargo computers. Question 6. The ship be at lower security level than the port? Right option B. No. Question 7. Why it is advised to hide in safe house of citadel? Right option A. To avoid being catched by the pirates and hence they take control of the ship. Question 8. Where is the guidance of risk based assessment available? Right option D. In ISPS code part B. Question 9. Most vulnerable place in toilet and showers where we can find hidden drugs and contrabands. Right option A. Behind and under the wash basin. Question 10. The SSAS activation location must be known to all ship's crew. Right option A. True. Question 11. Most vulnerable place in toilets and shower where we can find hidden drugs and contrabands. Right option A. In toilet paper roller. Question 12. Which shipboard personnel should be able to recognize and detect weapons, dangerous substance and device? Right option D. All shipboard personnel. Question 13. The security assessment documentation shall be, right option C, shall be kept on ship. Question 14. Ship store to be checked to prevent ship's store from being accepted without inspection. Right option B, no. Question 15. The IMO Regulation A 545 measure to prevent act of armed robbery against the ships was adopted in right option D 1983. Question 16. Each ship shall be verified before the certificate required for the first time. Right option B, yes. Question 17. Who sets the maritime security level? Right option C, local port authority. Question 18. What is available in Citadel room? Right option D, it has all of the above. Question 19. Various type of exercise with CSO, FPSO relevant authorities of CG and SSO should be carried out at least once. Right option D, 12 to 18 months. Question 20. The on-scene security survey shall fulfill the following functions. Right option D, evaluate supervisions of cargo handling. Question 21. The ISPS code does not apply to warship, naval auxiliaries or other ships owned or operated by a contracting government and used only for government non-commercial service. Right option A, yes. Question 22. The SSAS will not raise any alarm on board the ship or on other ship. Right option B, yes. Question 23. Which of the following pose potential security risk? Right option D. Unplanned visit by the office staff. Question 24. What does the CSR contain? Right option C. The CSR contain the history of the ship. Question 25. Modern definition of privacy include one of the following. Right option D, extortion. Question 26. Which of the following are not used additional security measure? Right option D, cargo hoses. Question 27. Company will provide the degree that the treat information is specified or imminent. Right option B, no. Question 28. The administration may, however, entrust the verification to a recognized security organization. Right option B, yes. Question 29. DOS is required when a SIP port interface could pose significant pollution risk. Right option B, false. Question 30. On of the functional requirements requiring training drills and exercises to ensure familiarity with security plan and procedure. Right option B, yes. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also mention your thoughts in the comment section below.